friends. Here are my teammates Chaitra, Purvi, Sufia. Our topic is Smart City Traffic Management. These are the contents: introduction, technology used, data set description, implementation, future work, final outcomes, output and conclusion. Introduction. Introduction. Explain the importance of smart traffic control and how data grinding helps the convert raw traffic data into usable insights for better urban mobility. A smart traffic control in an advanced traffic management that uses sensors, cameras, IoT devices, and data analytics to efficiently regulate traffic flow in the cities. It is important because it reduces traffic congestion, improves urban mobility, enhances road safety, decreases pollution and fuel consumption, supports public transport efficiency, better planning and decision making. Here are the technologies we are used. Data type is sensor data. It is used for smart road sensors, traffic signals, and GPS is used for Google Maps, vehicle GPS logs, and transport system logs is used for public transport timing and route information. Here is the dataset description. We have used only seven locations. That too Majestic, MG Road, Skillboard, Whitefield, Electronic City, Kapuram, and Hebbal. Further continued by Sophia.
So I will be explaining the implementation. So traffic controls, as you can see on the left side, that is low traffic, moderate traffic, and the high traffic. So it is a live map which is in which the routes are displayed using the colored lines. Next, we have the future work. In this slide, we describe the planned improvements to enhance the system in the next phase. Like in future improvements, enhancement, we have real-time traffic signal automation. So signal timings will automatically adjust based on real-time traffic density. It reduces the long queues and optimizes the traffic movement. Next, we have emergency vehicle priority system. Emergency vehicles like ambulance, fire trucks, police vehicles will be detected. Then integration with smart transport systems, integration with like connecting with public transports, parking systems, and smart city networks. It will enable the unified city-wide mobility management. Then we have advantages. We have so the main advantages are like it improved the traffic flow. How means by reducing the congestion by giving drivers the real time traffic conditions. Then we have reduced waiting time at signals. So with automated signal control, vehicles wait less at intersections. Then faster emergency response. As I said that emergency vehicles can move faster due to priority routing. Better public transportation management means it helps the buses and metro feeding routes to operate on optimized schedules. Cost effective urban mobility solution. As I said, it requires less investment compared to building new roads as it uses the technology to utilize existing infrastructure efficiently. Next will be continued by Chaitra. Thank you.
So, as everyone explained it detailedly, I'll be showing the overall working of our website now. So, let me show the code. We have used HTML code where this code gives the color background, admin dashboard, and all of this. Let us go through the website and then give a detailed information. So, let me run this code. Yeah, this is our admin dashboard where it shows the smart traffic system, real-time traffic and parking visualizations for smarter cities. So smarter cities like we have taken up Bangalore as a smarter city and gone through this website. So now let me log in, and this is our overall website looks where we have an admin panel as dashboard, traffic reports, manage alert, parking data, sensors and camera, and user logins. So dashboard. This is our overall dashboard and traffic reports. The traffic, what the traffic report does here is it shows whether the traffic is there in a particular area or no. Where we have already seen in the implementation, we have low traffic, high traffic, and moderate traffic. Where it gives the three colors. Where low traffic is of green and high traffic is of red and moderate of yellow. So manage alerts. Some of this manage alert, what does this do in this website is it manages the alert if whether the particular area has more traffic or no. It alerts the users to go to that particular area for to take the route, that route, or take another route. So parking data. So most of the time people struggle to park their vehicles in areas or like Majestic, or even some like Phoenix Mall. Some many areas are there where people struggle for parking. So we have come up an idea where users before only they come to they check to the website and then they go for the particular spot and then they may park their vehicles. So sensors and cameras. What does this do in this case is we'll have a sensors to the particular locations and cameras in particular areas where there are more traffic, which can lead the users for their time saving purpose. So we even have a user logins. For this, for logging into the website, the user should have their own login IDs. So we have a total vehicles in a particular area we have taken as, let us take as a Majestic Bangalore. Here we'll search it. If we search, it directly goes through the Majestic area, which gives a where Kempegowda bus stop has lots of traffic due to the bus coming and vehicles coming, and even the cars. Will be having lot of time wasting time. We'll be wasting time there. To consume our time, we have implemented this. So this gives a complete detail, which is Bangalore urban. Here, where it already went to the map directly. So if you tap on this, it shows whether the parking space is available or not. So Majestic parking is left out with 32 space, and here this red alert, this red alert shows where Majestic traffic is high now at this time. So let us consider another example like MG Road. MG Road Bangalore, it directly goes for a search. Yeah, this is MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road, where this here there is no parking available, so there is no parking shown here. There is no particular parking available, so have there where they have not at all mentioned the parking area there. Then we have even here the MG Road is high traffic. Evening time, most of the people come from their workplaces, so maybe that traffics may be high. So that due to this, they may take another route instead of coming towards the MG Road. Then later, this is our overall website. So show all markers. This just shows the markers of particular areas like this, which is mentioned here. See, here we have, Forum Mall of Parking has 12 spots to park and 12 vehicles can be parked over there. And Phoenix Mall can be having 21 spaces where they can even park there also. Then if the user is enough of getting into the website, they can even log out. If they log out, they again come for their home page. So this is overall the website demonstration. The final conclusion will be given by Purvi.
Conclusion, the project successfully demonstrate how data branding can transform messy and unstructured traffic data into meaningful insights for the smart city planning. The visual dashboard and analytical results improve traffic smart automation like intelligent signal control and emergency routing. Thank you.
So we are So we had a great time working on this website. So we thought of we even wanted to implement more on this. Next, the website will be used for all the people. This website also can be taken to other cities like Delhi, Davangere, and many other places. Now, for particular reason, we have taken up only to the Bangalore. More detail and information will be given. Thank you.